Painting cabinets can be a daunting task, but using a sprayer can make it much easier and faster. So, if you're thinking about painting your cabinets, be sure to watch this video to find the best sprayer for your needs. In this video, we're going to review the top 6 sprayers for painting cabinets, based on our own experience and research. We'll also give you some tips on how to choose the right sprayer for your needs, and how to use it to get the best results. Number 1. VONFORN VF803 Paint Sprayer. This sprayer has a unique blowing function that you can use to blow away dust and debris from the surface before you start painting. It also has a cleaning connector that you can attach to a faucet to clean out the residual paint after you're done. This sprayer is very easy to assemble and use. It also comes with a cleaning brush and needle to help you clean out the nozzle. Number 2. PULENDY PL42 Paint Sprayer. The PULENDY PL42 paint sprayer is a versatile tool that can be used for a wide range of painting projects. The 4-size nozzles allow you to choose the right nozzle for the job, and the 3 adjustable spray patterns give you even more control over your paint application. The blowing and cleaning functions make it easy to start and finish your project. This sprayer is powered by a 700 watts motor. Number 3. HomeRight C800971 Paint Sprayer. This is a great value for the money. It is easy to use, produces a professional-looking finish, and can handle a variety of projects. It has 450 watts of power for spraying a wide variety of paints and stains. Adjustable air cap for horizontal, vertical, and round spray patterns. Material flow control knob for quickly adjusting the output. Number 4. BUENDIO TPX01 Paint Sprayer. It's a well-built and versatile sprayer that can be used for various projects. It features 6 nozzle sizes and 3 spray patterns for versatility, upgraded motor and material for durability and performance. Advanced technology for efficient spraying and a smooth finish, easy to use and clean. Making it an excellent choice for both beginners and experienced DIYers. Number 5. WIBENTL WSG10A Paint Sprayer. It's a great all-around sprayer that's perfect for both DIY projects and professional use. It's equipped with 6 sizes nozzles. It also features a powerful 700 watts motor that can handle a variety of paint types. This sprayer comes with a large 1200 milliliter container that allows you to spray for longer periods of time without having to refill. Number 6. Wagner Spraytech 0518080 Paint Sprayer. This is a great all-around sprayer that can be used for a wide variety of projects, from painting walls and ceilings to staining decks and furniture. It's a solid choice for both beginners and seasoned DIYers. This paint sprayer can help you achieve that flawless finish you've been dreaming of. The stationary base connects to the spray gun via a 20 feet. Thanks for watching this video on the best sprayers for painting cabinets. If you found this video helpful, be sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more great tools, ideas, and product reviews. And if you have any questions about painting cabinets or choosing the right sprayer, please leave a comment below. We're always happy to help.